Today, we're going to check out Icon's new 1/4-inch drive set. Now, for years, literally years, I've been trying to find a reasonable replacement for Craftsman. I know Craftsman still exists, and that's fine, but it is not the Craftsman of my childhood, and Lowe's is not close to either my work or my house. Really, I just want a place I can walk into where things are lifetime warranty and stuff's in stock, and I can get what I need and get out without mail ordering, using Amazon. I've slowly been buying Icon stuff, more to have a look at it. When Icon came out with this screwdriver set, I had to buy it because clearly there's some inspiration going on here. I just had to see what the quality was like. Now, this 3-sided screwdriver handle is my absolute favorite. I have old school snap-on stuff too. These are the ones that were around when I was a kid. This is the last original I have from when I was like 16 or 17 from that set. You know it was at work because it's got my initials on it. The quality is not snap-on. I don't care about the comparisons, but the reality is they mimic well, and you get a lot of torque with the 3-sided handles, and I absolutely love these. And the Icon ones, for I think I paid 50 bucks, is a reasonable alternative to these. I lost the Phillips, the number 2 Phillips one. It cost me $33 on the tool truck to replace. So let's get this 1/4-inch drive set out of the box here and have a look at it. I'm hoping I like it as much as I like this little set, but we'll look at this too. We've got some similarities to this here in this new set, so we're gonna check out both here. This extension I see right there. The ratchet is similar, but not the same. So let's have a look. They're tough to open without destroying anything. If we just do that, yeah, let's just destroy it. There we go. Let's see this case. Ha! Just like the smaller version. Icon 1/4-inch compact socket set. It makes me happy they put this on here. That leads me to believe that there'll be more of these sets, and you'll be able to identify them without taking them out of the, without pulling them out of the drawer or opening these. This one is larger. It's got a little more flex to it than the little one, but it's just larger. Look at that. We got spring-loaded bits. That's cool. Yeah, look at that. When it closes, it pushes the lever and folds them down. Cool as that. We're getting awful similar here, Icon. It's not 1 for 1, but it's darn close. We got a 1/4-inch driver. We got a 1/4-inch ratchet. This is not the pass-through style. This is clearly the cousin of this one. From the drive part down, they are the same. Push button. Same amount of play I can tell already from mine. Very nice. So we got this extension here. We can make our ratchet nice and long. This also takes a bit. There isn't a way to T-handle this the way you would this one here. This one doesn't even have, okay, they're not the same. They are the same size. This one's designed to pass through, and it has a rounded over edge on one of these edges. This one does not. This one is just 1/4-inch. So all this really can be used for is a handle extension. You can put a bit on the end of it though, for what it's worth. So what do we have in our set here? We got 5mm. These have some seriously deep, nice looking chrome on them. They're drilled straight. It's kind of hard for me to show you guys. Here is 14mm. So we got 6mm through 14 and all the sizes in between. The chrome, not bad. It's not bad. We got 3/16 through 9/16 on the American side. I've seen worse. For sure I've seen worse quality than this. You got a decent assortment of bits. You got Torx, Allen, flat, Phillips, and then the Star Phillips. 4-inch and a 2-inch extension. Nicely knurled. This has decent knurling on it. Grippy. This set cost me $80. You guys tell me if you think that's a fair amount. 1/4-inch drive to 1/4-inch bit adapter. So we can do that if we want. Crazy rattly. And we got a universal. All of this stuff is easy to get in and out of here. I like the way they laid out these sets. I like the way they laid out this one too. Universal. Not so smooth, but it'll break in. Smooth as it needs to be, I suppose. When I ask if Icon's a reasonable replacement to Craftsman, this is what I'm talking about. Here is a 1/4-inch drive, 10mm, 6-point. This is what you get now with Craftsman. Here's one that's been in my toolbox for probably 20 years because it was $2 when I bought it. And you can see the difference here. You can just see the chrome difference. This is USA made Craftsman. This is not. This is made in Taiwan. This is made in the good old USA. Sold by Sears Roebuck. Hoffman Estates, not far from where we're standing right now. And that's the difference of what you get. Now, feel free to say whatever you like about Icon. Clearly not made in the USA. But I contend that the Icon, in quality, looks a little bit closer to my USA made Craftsman stuff than it does the new made in Taiwan stuff. What do you guys think? You guys tell me. But this has become my go-to replacement, sadly, for this. So honestly, I'd love to hear your opinion on what is the best, reasonably priced, for everybody tool that you can walk into a store and purchase right now. If you guys have a better idea than I do, you let me know. You got Husky and Cobalt, and there are places, big box store stuff, where you can walk in and walk out, even Craftsman. But it doesn't seem to make sense. If it's not by your house, they're not everywhere. Not like Sears was. Going to Sears when I was a kid was like an event. I got excited. I knew there was new tools in my future when Mom said we were going to Sears. And yeah, that quickly turned into a career I'm still doing at almost 47 years old. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think? Hit me up, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one.